Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do our next page number 32. On page 32, here we have numbers 50 to 59. Students, at this page we will learn about numbers from 50 to 59. Here we have question number 1, and the question is count on the abacus. Write the missing numbers and the number name. Students, here we have point A. At point A, here we have abacus. On abacus, here we have some beads at the tens rod. No one at the ones rod. Students, count how many beads at the tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads at the tens rod means we have the number 50. No one at the ones, so 0 is already written here. When we add something in 0, the answer remains the same. So 50 is our answer. 50 in numbers, then 50 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point B. At point B, here we have abacus, which shows some beads at the tens and ones. Students, count how many beads at the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads at the tens. Here we have the number 50. Then here we have 1 bead at the ones, so 1 is already written here. Students, we are going to add these two numbers. When we add these two numbers, we got the answer 51. Write 51 in the box. 51 in numbers and 51 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point C. At point C, here we have abacus, which shows some beads at the tens and the ones too. Students, how many beads at the tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads at the tens. We will write the number 50 here. 50. Mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2. 2 ones. Write 2 here. When we add these two numbers, 50 in 2, we got the answer 52. Write 52 in the box. 52 in numbers. Now we are going to write 52 in words here. F I F T Y 50 T W O 2 52 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point D. At point D, here we have abacus, which shows some beads at the tens and the ones too. Students, count how many beads at the tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we have 5 beads, means here we have the number 50. Write 50 here. Mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2, 3 beads at the ones. Write 3 here. Students, when we add these two numbers, we got the answer 53. Write 53 in the box. 53 in number. Now we are going to write 53 in words too. F I F T Y 53 T H R E E 53 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point E. At E, here we have abacus, which shows some beads at the tens and the ones too. Students, count how many beads at the tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Write 50 here. 5 beads means the number 50. Students, mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Write 4 here. When we add these two numbers, 50 in 4, we got the answer 54, which is already written here. We are going to write 54 in words at the next box. F I F T Y 54 F O U R 54 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point F. At point F, here we have abacus, which shows some beads at the tens and the ones too. We are going to count the tens beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, 5 beads means here we have the number 50. We are going to write 50 in the box. Mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ones. Write 5 here. When we add these two numbers, 5 in 50, we got the answer 55. 5 5, 55. 55 in numbers. Now we are going to write 55 in words too. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. F, I, V, E. 5. 55 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point G. At point G, here we have abacus. We show some beads at the tens and the ones too. We are going to count tens beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, here we have 5 beads at the tens rod, which means we have the number 50 here. 50, 50. Mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Write 6 here. When we add these two numbers, 50 in 6, we got the answer 56. Write 5, 6, 56 in the box. 56 in numbers. Now we are going to write 56 in words too. F, I, F, T, Y. 56. S, I, X. 6. 56 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point H. At point H, here we have abacus. We show some beads at the tens and the ones too. Students, count the tens beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 beads at the tens rod, which means we have the number 50. Mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 ones, which is already written here. Students, we are going to add these two numbers. 50 in 7. We got the answer 57. Write 5, 7, 57 in the box. 57 in numbers. Students, write 57 in words too. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. S, E, V, E, N. 7. 57 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point I. At point I, here we have abacus. We show some beads at the tens and the ones too. Students, we will count the tens beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we have 5 beads at the tens rod, which means we have the number 50. Write 50, 50 here. Mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 ones. Write 8 here. Students, we are going to add these two numbers 50 in 8. When we add them, we got the answer 58. Write 5, 8, 58 here. 58 in numbers. Now we are going to write 58 in words too. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. E, I, G, H, T. 8. 58 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have point J. At point J, here we have some beads at the tens and the ones too. We are going to count tens beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads at the tens. Here we have the number 50. Write 50, 50 here. Mark the sign of plus. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Write 9 here. Students, when we add these two numbers, we got the answer 59. Write 5, 9, 59. 59 in numbers. Now we are going to write 59 in words too. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. N, I, N, E. 9. 59. Students, our today's work is complete. You have to do it neat way. Stay at your home. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.